A lot of people are asking, how can you change your location on an iPhone without jailbreaking it? In today's video, I am going to show you how to fake your GPS location on iOS so you can change it anytime in any app. We all want to be able to change our location by using just an iPhone, right? That's why I'm introducing iMoveGo. A location changer works without PC and jailbreaking. Once you download it, simply search the location you want or tap it directly on the map, then select teleport mode. Just hit move, and your GPS location changes instantly. Now it will use your new location on any other app as well. And it is not over. iMoveGo can also simulate GPS movement. After choosing your destination, you can generate a route using navigation, set your speed, and hit move. See, your location now travels along the route automatically. Perfect for anyone who wants to hide their real movements. iMoveGo also offers custom routes, joystick mode, and more, and it works great in AR games like Pokemon Go or Monster Hunter Now, making it definitely worth a try. Get the free download link below this video. If you have any questions, leave the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.